a protest at Warner Brothers' head office for the removal of Amber from their upcoming Aquaman movie. And it seems like the people might finally be getting what they want, as new reports have just revealed a major loss for Warner in the long-standing battle. So how exactly did Warner lose here, and what did they lose? Those questions and many more you didn't even know you had are going to be answered in a sec, so stay tuned till the end. At this point, it's no secret that Warner Bros. Have most likely been in Team Amber since the whole trial ended, as they have shown that in so many ways, one of which includes the documentary they made via Discovery Plus about the details of the trial, which, as expected, was in Amber's favor. But now, it seems they might have bit of more than they can chew, as they have now seemingly resorted to literally stealing other people's materials. I know it seems unlikely because they are largely regarded as a huge company, but a recent post from that umbrella guy has just confirmed that they might have not only specifically targeted him, but also taken his material without his permission. According to the YouTuber who has been following the whole Depp Heard case closely for a while now, Warner Bros., through Discovery Plus, actually took certain materials from his channel and used said material in their documentary without his permission. But while this already seems like a civil case, it gets even worse down the line. He stated that after using the material in question, they would then claim it along with any other video he uploaded using the material. Talk about extreme, right? But that's not even the end of it. Speaking on the recent exploits of this company, the YouTuber revealed that they also made sure to block the materials they took in specific regions, which is kind of a general indication that there's something fishy going on there. However, the story still doesn't end there. Apart from claiming the YouTuber's own stuff, they also seem to have claimed certain videos from the Depp Heard trial, one of which is the deposition of Johnny Depp's former lawyer, Adam Waldman, which was played in court as evidence. As if that wasn't bad enough, they also claimed sections of the trial that featured Johnny Depp along with his lawyer Benjamin Rottenborn. Now, considering that the trial was more or less public and these videos were shown in the process of making their cases in court, no one can really lay claim to them as owners. Anyway, the entire thing became a full-blown dispute between the YouTuber and Warner Bros. And while that umbrella guy did win the case, the fact that they resorted to these measures proves that they have probably exhausted all of their other options to change the narrative in Amber's favor. And maybe, just maybe, this might be the time they take the cue to cut Amber off. I mean, let's face it, not only do the people not want her in the Aquaman film, but they have also shown that in many different ways. Well, this big reveal by that umbrella guy had a couple of fans talking. One user wrote, "I used to love Warner Bros. Throughout the years. Because of their support for Amber Heard, I turned away from Warner Bros. They need to drop Amber Heard, remove her from Aquaman 2, and apologize to Tug and many others for their mistakes. Only wait for Warner Bros. To turn it around. Hopefully, they'll do the right thing. But remember that these are based on research and theories and should be regarded as such." That's it for now, guys. Bye!